How to declare constants in Python? Well, Python has no concepts for declaring constants, but we can still use Python variables to declare constants. First method is use variable naming in capitals. Consider the following Python code for banking system. Here we have defined all the constants at the beginning of the code and in capital letters just to let the programmers know that these are constant variables. Remember that we can still modify these values at any point of the code because these are variables. Next method is declare constants in a separate file. Here we will place all the constant variables in a separate constant.py file and then import the file in main program to use these constants. Be aware that these values can be overwritten anywhere in the code because we're using variables. Third method is use data classes library. Here we will import data class decorator from data classes library, and then call the decorator passing frozen equals to true as a parameter in the decorator. Next, we will create a class called config, and then define all the constants inside the class. Now we will create an object of config class in the main code, so as to call all constants defined inside the class. Finally, we will call all the constants using the object created at the beginning of the code, example object name.constant name. In this case, we cannot modify the constant's values. If we try to do so, Python will raise error. Last method is using collections library. Here we will import name tuple method of collections library. At first, we will define the list of all constants inside name tuple method as constant type. In next step, we will define the values for each constants defined in above step in the same order and retrieve this into a new object called conf. Next, we will refer each constant using the same conf object example object name.constant name, and the code will execute without any fail. Remember, same as previous method, if we try to modify any constant value, Python will give error. Please let us know in the comment box which method do you use to define constants, and please like and share this video and subscribe to this channel.